If your Porsche's making a ticking noise, it's probably due to internal engine wear.
Oh my God!
Which is most likely caused from not meeting your service intervals by prolonging your oil changes past the recommended interval of 5,000 to 10,000 miles or every 6 months to a year. The internal ticking noise is something that may be solved.
So does that mean you can fix it?
By adding some fluid in there to help with it, but it may be just due to extreme engine wear. We've had that happen quite a few times before where the customers brought it in, it was ticking in the past, and now when we've done our inspection, we found that it was internal, and at that point there is nothing that we can do. It's just excessive wear, and most likely at that point the engine has high miles on it and it's just starting to go out.